AI/ML model integrated workflow with audit reports and graphs. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. The diagram is titled Integrated Workflow, Modules in System Design and illustrates the different modules involved in system design. It conceptualizes the interconnectedness and sequence of various modules within a workflow. Here's a detailed breakdown of each module. 1. AI/ML workflow. This is the starting point, integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to optimize and automate tasks within the system. 2. Customer, focuses on interactions and requirements, ensuring that the system design meets customer needs and expectations. 3. Raw materials, manages the procurement and availability of raw materials necessary for production. 4. Production, oversees the transformation of raw materials into finished products. 5. Distribution, handles the distribution of products to various destinations efficiently and timely. 6. Finance, manages financial aspects, including budgeting, cost control, and financial reporting. 7. HR management, focuses on recruiting, training, and managing personnel involved in system design. 8. Quality control, QC ensures that products meet required quality standards through testing and inspection. 9. Infrastructure, manages the physical and technological infrastructure, including facilities, equipment, and IT systems. 10. Project management, oversees planning, execution, and monitoring of projects, ensuring they are completed on time and within budget. 11. Sales, handles marketing, selling, and customer relationship management. 12. Customer support, provides post-sales support, ensuring customers receive assistance and solutions to any issues. This comprehensive visual representation helps management understand the workflow and identify areas for improvement or optimization. It emphasizes the importance of each module in the overall success of the system design process. From a management perspective, the auditor's report provides key insights into the performance and compliance status of various departments within the organization. Each department is assessed based on whether it meets predefined standards and criteria. The report is essential for making informed decisions regarding resource allocation, process improvements, and risk management. Here's an analysis of the report. Key takeaways from the report. 1. Compliance vs. non-compliance. Compliant departments, departments such as AI/ML workflow, raw material procurement, production, finance, HR management, quality control, QC, and audit have passed the audit and are classified as compliant. Non-compliant departments, departments like customer orders, distribution, IT infrastructure, and customer support have failed the audit, indicating areas that need attention. 2. Audit scores. The audit scores range from 40 to 95, indicating a significant disparity in department performance. Finance scored the highest at 95, which could suggest that the financial systems, controls, and reporting are robust and align well with standards. Distribution and customer orders received the lowest scores, 40 and 45, respectively, which is a red flag. These areas may require immediate intervention to improve operations, processes, or compliance. 3. Actionable insights. Non-compliant departments. The non-compliant departments, customer orders, distribution, IT infrastructure, and customer support, require corrective actions. Management should focus on understanding why these departments failed and what specific issues were identified in the audit. These areas might be underperforming due to system inefficiencies, lack of training, inadequate resources, or poor process adherence. Customer orders, the low score, 45, may reflect challenges in meeting customer demand or fulfillment standards. Distribution, a score of 40 suggests that logistics or supply chain management may be ineffective, causing delays or mismanagement. IT infrastructure, a score of 50 indicates potential weaknesses in IT systems or infrastructure, such as outdated technology, security gaps, or slow response times. Customer support, with a score of 43, this department may be struggling with customer satisfaction, response times, or issue resolution processes. 4. Positive performance areas. The compliant departments should be recognized for their successful performance. Management should identify the best practices in these departments and assess how these can be applied to the non-compliant departments. Finance with the highest score, 95, can serve as a benchmark for other departments, especially in areas like control systems, reporting, and risk management. Quality control, QC, and HR management also stand out with scores of 92 and 88, respectively, indicating effective systems for maintaining quality and managing employee resources. 5 Strategic priorities for management. Resource allocation. Management may need to allocate more resources, example personnel, training, technology upgrades, to underperforming departments. For example, improving customer orders and distribution may involve streamlining processes or introducing new software solutions to boost efficiency. Process improvement. Focus on improving the processes in non-compliant departments. Implementing Lean or Six Sigma methodologies might help reduce inefficiencies. Cross-departmental learning. Departments that performed well, finance, QC, HR, could be asked to share their strategies or processes that contributed to their success. This may help identify best practices for adoption in non-compliant areas. 6 Monitoring and continuous improvement. Continuous monitoring. Regular audits should be scheduled for these departments to track improvements and ensure they are meeting compliance standards. Setting milestones. Set clear, measurable milestones for departments that are struggling. These should include actions like revising workflows, training employees, or upgrading infrastructure. 7 Risk management. The departments that failed the audit, especially distribution and customer support, pose a higher risk to the overall business operations. Failure to address these issues could lead to customer dissatisfaction, delays, or even financial losses. Management should prioritize mitigating these risks. Since audit itself is compliant, score of 91, it indicates that the auditing process is thorough and reliable, ensuring the integrity of the entire auditing system. Recommendations for management. Immediate action for non-compliant departments. Implement a root cause analysis to identify why these departments failed. Follow up with action plans such as additional training, system upgrades, and performance monitoring. Leverage strong performers. Use finance, HR management, and quality control as models for improving performance in other departments. Invest in IT infrastructure. As IT infrastructure is failing with a score of 50, prioritize investments in technology to ensure that systems are secure, fast, and scalable. Monitor and improve customer support. A score of 43 in customer support suggests that customer satisfaction is at risk. Management should explore the root causes of dissatisfaction and work on improving response times and issue resolution capabilities. Conclusion. The auditor's report gives management a clear view of the organization's operational health. While many departments are performing well, there are key areas that need urgent attention. The audit highlights weaknesses that can be turned into opportunities for improvement, helping the company move towards greater efficiency, compliance, and overall success. A bar chart is a graphical representation used to display data with rectangular bars, where the length of each bar is proportional to the value it represents. Here are some key points about bar charts. 1. Structure. Bar charts typically have 2 axes. The x-axis, horizontal, represents categories, while the y-axis, vertical, represents values or frequencies. 2 types. There are various types of bar charts, including vertical bar charts. The bars are oriented vertically from the x-axis. Horizontal bar charts. The bars are oriented horizontally from the y-axis. Stacked bar charts show the total of different subgroups that compose a larger category. Grouped bar charts show comparisons between different subgroups of each category. 3. Usage. Bar charts are ideal for comparing quantities across different categories. They are particularly effective for showing changes over time, comparing different groups, highlighting differences. For reading a bar chart. To read a bar chart, look at the length of the bars. The longer the bar, the higher the value it represents. The categories are usually placed on the x-axis, and the values are shown on the y-axis. Let's take an example of an audit scores bar chart to illustrate. Audit scores by department. Department audit score. AI/ML workflow 90. Customer orders 45. Raw material procurement 85. Production 80. Distribution 40. Finance 95. HR management 88. Quality control, QC, 92. IT infrastructure 50. Project management 89. Customer support 43. Audit 91. From this example, you can quickly see which departments are performing well and which ones might need improvement, based on their audit scores. Thank you.